Okay, in this video, it's just going to be using some voice clips from, well, from that video by, here, one second, let me check it. Just give me a moment, gotta look up the name again. Oh, come on. Okay, yeah, I just gave that a second. It's doing one of those annoying ads. Yeah, whatever. There, got that out of the way. Okay, we're gonna look at the name of this real quick. Alright, so it's some voice clips from FNAF Witness gameplay animation by Lucifer Sam 01. Now, this video is actually supposed to be for a Roblox player called Fredbear Fazey. He's been helping me with character animations, you know, for my Roblox characters I've been making. You know, those cool twisted animatronics you guys really like. I made a Roblox version of Drawkill Foxy, and he actually looks even cooler than my twisted animatronic characters. So, here's some of the noises I was wondering if we can get him to make these instead. So like, for instance, instead of jump scare noise, instead of hearing a jump scare, we're going to hear him scream out like, you know, Foxy's going to get you. You know, kind of like this. Well, something more like this actually. So here, I'll play that a bit more loudly, just in case if it's kind of hard for the computer to hear, you know, to hear it. So that's gonna be the noise for his jump scare thing, and then for like one of the sounds he'll make, it'll be like this. Just the it's me part. And then if there's a possibility that we can add in a third sound, then it would be something more like this. Yeah, just not the extra part that just accidentally came in, just the first part with the creepy breathing noise. So yeah, those three sounds are kind of what we wanted to have. We can leave out the it's me part if there's not enough room for three of them, you know, for three sounds. Anyway, so yeah, so if we're able to get the audio out of this video here and use that as the sounds for his character, then I think that would be pretty good. I'm also going to make some extra adjustments for his animations. You know, like what kind of movements he would be making. Anyway, so yeah, that's the end of this video.